I couldn't believe my eyes. The box from SpaceX finally arrived at my door a year and a half later, but just in time for Christmas. The box seemed to be really nice. Packaging was awesome. Check out the way it's put together. Makes you feel like I didn't waste all that money. Packaging and writing all instructions on the box. Design, size, pretty cool. Once I figured out how to open it, I felt very happy on feeling the weight and quality of the build. A lot of times you buy things they don't hold up. We've had a Tesla for 3 years. It's doing great. Excellent instructions and warnings that I should pay attention to. One thing to note, it doesn't come full of fuel. Really feels awesome. Awesome, great tactile feel after all the misery. Really super fun to get. It does have a lockout feature, which is really good. You don't want people just clicking on it as soon as they pick it up. The size and weight really shows that SpaceX does hood quality and everything they make down to the details on the Starship. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Filled it with fuel. Can't wait to see the size of the flame that gets pushed out of the Starship. Unlocked and oh my God, if you can see the size of the flame bursting out. Love it.